How to turn on or off updates available notification on Play Store. Go to Play Store application. Here in Play Store homepage, go to profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And now here, find the settings. Go to settings, you can see below. Here in settings, go to general. In general, go to notifications. Here in notifications, to turn on or off the updates available. Okay, you can see here the updates available here. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. To turn on updates available, you'll have to do is switch on switch button on the right side. And now here, you can turn on the switch button on the right side of this allow notification. And also you can turn on this set to silent. The switch button on the right side if you want. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turn on the update available notification on Play Store. So if this turn on, notify when updates are available for apps. And if you want to turn off again, switch off the switch button on the right side and switch off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification.